Hello friends, welcome to my channel Cook with Surbi. Today I am going to show the recipe of mango cheesecake. No bake, no gelatin is used. Very easy to cook it. So I hope you will like this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. So let's get started. For this we will take a bowl. Into this bowl I am going to add 200 grams of this digestive biscuit. With the help of any hand masher, I am going to mash this 200 grams of digestive biscuit. Now see, there is an important tip here that I have not used the mixer grinder, because if I will use the mixer grinder, the butter inside this biscuit will be lost on the walls of that mixer pot. So I am using here the hand masher. So now you can see how fine the crumbs are. Into this I am going to add 100 grams of salted butter. And then I am going to mix both the ingredients very fine. You can see how fine both the mixtures are getting mixed. See? Now I was not having the cheesecake mold, so what I did, I took one 8-inch size cake tin, and at the outer side I took one file cover and I made this kind of ring and just pasted it over that 8-inch size cake tin. So you can see that it has been fixed very nicely. So now I am going to grease the base with the help of butter. So just take a few drops of butter and with the help of brush you can grease the base like this. Now once the base is well greased, now we are going to put our biscuit mixture. So this will be the bottom layer of our mango cheesecake, and we have to press it very hard and very evenly to all the sides. Especially the sides must be covered, and it should be pressed very hard so that the top will not be rough. The top should be smooth, hard. So now once this is done, we are going to keep it in the refrigerator for half an hour to 1 hour so that it will be set completely. So I have kept that mixture into the refrigerator so that it would be set properly just for half an hour. In the meanwhile, I am going to prepare mango puree. So for mango puree, I have taken out the pulp of these 2 big mangoes. You can see here, and I am going to heat it in any of the pan or kadhai you can take, and into this I am adding approx half cup of powdered sugar, and we have to keep it mixing till the mixture becomes thick. Mix. So now I am going to prepare the cream cheese, which is the middle layer of mango cheesecake. For that I have taken this whipping cream. I have taken for Tropolite Premium. You can opt for Golden Mark or Riches as per your choice. And now I am going to beat it with the beater till we are getting the stiff shape. So suppose in this lockdown you are not having the whipped cream available. So what you do, you can use the hung curd instead of this whipped cream. Now this is the Delecta cream cheese. I am going to add approximately 2 tablespoons of this cream cheese into the whipped cream. So here I have transferred the mixture to another bowl because the mixture we have to take is a bit chilled. I have transferred to another bowl to maintain its coolness there. Now again I am going to give it a very good mix with the help of a beater. So friends, if you are not having the cream cheese or whipped cream, you can use hung curd or yogurt. I am going to add the mango crush. I have taken Mala's mango crush because it is a bit thick. So I am going to use mango crush approximately 3 to 4 tablespoons or 1/4 cup, and then again mix this mixture. So the middle layer is done. You can see here. Now after half an hour, our mixture for bottom layer is set. You can see. Now I am going to add the second layer, which is the cream cheese which we have prepared over it. So I have wiped out all the cream cheese from bowl to the mold. You can see. Now with the help of spatula or palette knife, we are going to spread it. You have to spread it with a very soft hand, not very hard, with a very soft hand. And yes, as I have suggested you that instead of cream cheese you can use the hung curd. I have told to use hung curd so that no water will be there and it would be easy for you to spread evenly. So what you have to do, you have to mix the hung curd with the sugar and mango pulp or mango crush, and in the similar way you have to spread it very evenly, very nicely, so that all the sides are well covered. Onto this mixture, I'm going to add the mango puree which I have shown initially in this video. So this mango puree has been also cooled down, and then I have spread it. So this will be the top layer. So in the similar way, I have wiped out all the mango puree. And I am going to spread it with a very soft hand. We have to spread it. So here I have covered all the sides very evenly, if you can see here, and with a very soft hand I have spread out the mango puree. Once this is done, we are going to refrigerate it for 4 to 5 hours. We don't have to keep it in the freezer, we just have to keep it in refrigerator. So now after 5 hours I have brought out the mixture from refrigerator, and now I am going to demold it, going to detach all the sides. With the very gentle, very soft hands we have to detach all the sides, because we are not having that mold. We have just created the ring out of a file cover. So now with the help of any bread knife or any knife, I have cut down these cheesecakes into the pieces, like pastry pieces, and very gently I have to keep it on the tray or on the plate. Pieces. So you can see, friends, how delicious this cake looks, and how it's easy to make it at home with such a simple ingredient. Hope you all have liked this video. Please must try it at home. Share your feedback, and must subscribe my channel for more recipes. Thank you so much.